Hello guys, and welcome back to our Crypto News Today channel. There is so many different offers on a crypto market, it becomes more and more chaotic place to choose a best place to deal with. Let's talk today about pumps on the Binance exchange. Binance is one of the best and most trusted crypto exchanges on the market. And we found one interesting topic. Many of you and us also sometimes tried to find crypto pump signals or information. And we found one interesting article in Telegram channel. You can find and check them out in the links down below. What is a cryptocurrency pump on Binance? Cryptocurrency pump is a trading stage during which the value of coins is artificially pumped by activating multiple buy orders. This increases the interest of traders in the sharp rise in the currency in the market, which attracts them to participate in trading. The main target is to sell coins with the highest profit for the trader. An analysis of the situation on the Binance exchange shows that artificial rises occur frequently, which leads to a subsequent dump, a sharp drop in the market value of coins. Every trader who trades cryptocurrency on Binance strives to buy coins at the lowest cost, reselling them not only at a higher price, but also as quickly as possible. This is the main principle of making money on trading, as well as increasing capital due to the difference in the rise in the value of purchased coins. The organizers of the pump have large financial reserves, so they buy coins in advance at a relatively. By following the recommendations from insider reports, you will be able to make substantial profits. However, it is important to properly manage the information that will avoid unexpected situations and financial losses at the auction. Signs of a cryptocurrency pump on Binance. In order to recognize a cryptocurrency pump and not be at a loss, it is important to understand what this process looks like on the Binance exchange. The following phenomena will be clear signs of artificial pumping of the coin. An increase in the value of a coin within 5 minutes is very rare, therefore, on the statistical chart, one can usually observe 1 to 3 long green candles, which are replaced by a red period. Correction sometimes occurs, which explains the appearance of several up and down waves, medium and small volume. How to find out about the upcoming pump on Binance? Do you want to have up-to-date information about the upcoming pump and have enough time to prepare for a successful bid? To obtain the required data, it is enough to subscribe to the well-known Telegram Crypto Pump channel. Information about the upcoming rise in the value of the cryptocurrency informs subscribers about a day before it starts. Also, the participants of the Crypto Pump Signals for Binance channel are aware of the cryptocurrency pair in advance, so they can prepare a link for a quick transition to the exchange and start purchasing at the appropriate moment. Important information about the coin, manipulations with which is planned, as well as graphs of its technical analysis are distributed in advance in the channel's feed. It is assumed that all community members are interested in profit, and therefore will actively disseminate information through chats, which will help spur interest from many users. Of course, you can track the upcoming pump yourself, but in this case, it is most rational to bet on several coins at once that can participate in the rise. The main signs of an approaching pump may be flat and almost complete absence of trading during the day. However, the lack of accurate information from insiders significantly increases the risk of error. We wrote about this in this article, how to make money quickly on a cryptocurrency pump. Features of earning on a cryptocurrency pump on Binance, how to quickly increase income. At first glance, it may seem that in order to get decent earnings on the Binance exchange, it is enough just to find out information about the upcoming pump, go from the bottom and get your 20 to 30% of guaranteed profit. The main difficulty for a trader is that it is technically very difficult to go from below. In practice, only a few experienced players manage to do this, so beginners prefer not even to participate in the first green candle. Already in the first minute, many traders try to enter the market, as well as the bots of the pump organizers prepared in advance and configured to buy lots. Therefore, to be able to buy coins from below or at least in the lower 10 to 20%, a very quick reaction is required. Many traders only manage to take the cryptocurrency at the top indicators and wait with hope for the next impulse. However, the indicators of the second wave rarely exceed the candle of the first minute of the pump. At the same time, the user can easily raise a small amount on kickbacks from changes in the value of digital coins, which will not be difficult to track. Inside information will help you prepare in advance for the upcoming trade, minimizing the risks of losing. Telegram Crypto Pump VIP community and its benefits for trading. If you want to receive more than 10 to 15 free Binance pump signals for trading, then you should subscribe to a specially developed Telegram channel. This elite class community provides 15 coins buy signals to members daily before their value rises. The channel also publishes reports with information regarding the achievement of pump targets based on previously received signals. Subscribing to the premium community will allow you to receive more relevant information and increase your daily profit several times. Members of the VIP community receive the following benefits over regular traders. Daily receipt of 15 crypto trading signals, indicating the upcoming pump of coins. The name of the coins participating in the rise is known even before the pump. Coins published in the premium channel are raised within a day or in a shorter time frame. Daily community members receive information on the range of favorable prices for buying coins for 5 targets, as well as recommendation. It is worth noting that the Altcoin Pump brings the greatest benefit only to its organizers and members of the VIP community, who do not even need a preliminary pump. All orders of these traders are prepared in advance and configured to buy/sell coins at a certain moment. Other participants have a real chance of getting 10 to 45% of the profit due to the price rollback. By receiving a premium subscription to the Crypto Pump Signals for Binance channel, you will receive several signals every day about the upcoming pump. It is insider information that provides traders with the opportunity to fully prepare for participation in trading. Unfortunately, this opportunity can only be used by people who have sufficiently large financial reserves, which at the same time allow them to buy a subscription to a Telegram channel with signals and have money to buy coins using these signals. Only in this case, you can safely multiply your capital several times a month. Our subscribers asked a question that they want to receive signals paired with the dollar, and not just with Bitcoin. For most traders, this is a more. By subscribing to the Telegram channel, you can receive for free the minimum amount of information that contributes to making large profits and find out more detailed data about the VIP community. You can also read the reviews of traders who decided to purchase a premium subscription and personally communicate with other traders on Binance. To do this, leave your comments under this article. Every trader who trades cryptocurrency on the Binance exchange wants to know about the upcoming pumping and the value of coins in order to make huge profits in a short period of time. These trading signals help earn huge profit in just a few hours after purchasing the coins published on the Telegram channel. Are you already making a profit using these trading signals? If not, then try it. We wish you good luck in trading cryptocurrency and wish to receive the same profit as VIP subscribers of the Crypto Pump Signals for Binance channel.